apartment. Got my backpack. Got this suitcase. Weighed 49.4 pounds according to my luggage scale. Got my purse. Jacket. Got gloves and hat. I think we're ready to go. I'm excited, but I definitely just started crying. A little overwhelmed.
Flight attendant know, and we'll be happy to find you another seat.
Take a drink.
यदि आप किसी निकास वाली पंक्ति में बैठे हैं, तो आप
All right, on our Polaris flight from Newark to Delhi, I'm doing a little amenity kit unboxing. By the way, amenity kits, I've been looking forward to this for months. How long about it to be good like this? It's been months.
It's been months. These are really nice.
The zipper stuck.
Like,
oh, these are this.
Yeah, like I ripped that off and I was able to get it quickly. Like these are well built. Like this might be a part of my travel kit forever now.
All right, what do we got? Ready?
Yeah. Little pen.
United pen.
United
Like
Way
a Christy?
pen.
Christy cookie. Do you know the Beauty Guru way?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Good.
So, good. All right, what's next? I'm asking you.
A toothbrush.
Dental kit. Toothbrush, hopefully some toothbrush.
Yep.
Might put things aside. A little card. The more the travel, the better the people. There's like a nice little note. I'll read that later. What'd you pick?
Tissues.
What I'm excited about is this in-flight remedy. It's a little Sunday Riley like amenity kit. So there's facial cleansing cloth, face cream, lip balm, and hand cream. All in there. I should get it out. Facial cleansing cloth. Lip balm. Hand cream. I did bring my little mini hand cream, but now I'm like, maybe I didn't need it. And face cream. The face hydrator. And then there's just a little card. Oh, I got
And
it.
with 20% off.
Ooh.
Oh,
and it's like a unique code too.
So we can get some more Sunday Riley if we want it.
Are you gonna buy some more Sunday Riley?
I've never bought Sunday Riley before in my life.
I didn't think so. Anyways, what else is there?
There's a sleep mask.
Checked out. Nothing on a sleep mask person, but I'm gonna try it. Why not?
And earplugs.
Ooh.
Which, like, I am not sure I can sleep with earplugs.
No, I don't think so either. I like sound.
I have headphones.
I'm gonna sleep with headphones on.
Yeah.
And it socks. Ooh, and they've got little like grippies on them.
So like this is kind of like a grippy sockification, but like in a good way.
Some headphones to use. I think you'll use your headphones.
Yeah.
I don't have fancy plug-in headphones, so yeah, I need that. Some water, some bubbly, lie flat seats, pillow blanket, second pillow,
Water.
second blanket.
Yeah.
Yeah, water in the little thing.
Mm-hmm.
All the things you could need.
Haven't looked at what our movie selections are, but I'm sure we got plenty of them.
The other thing, the food
Oh, yes.
is like it's definitely like Indian food. I don't know if this will focus on it good enough. Okay. It's probably kind of small to see, but it's like an Indian food menu. So there is ice cream sundae though, which I will be getting.
Yeah. And a sort of cheese.
Like to welcome you aboard Flight 82 service over to Delhi. Our flying time this evening.
We are in the international transfers area of the Delhi airport. I think we're going to be here all night.